Good afternoon, student. Today I'll teach you Science of Class 8, first chapter, that is crop production and management. Here you have to read about the how to produce the crop, how to grow the crop, how to manage the soil and all, and different season of the production of the crop also you will read in this chapter. Now I'll give you paragraph, different paragraph I'll give, and at last I'll give some question also. From there you will try to answer, and if any problem you will ask to me. Thank you. Okay children, let's start our first chapter, that is crop production and management. In this chapter you have to read about how to produce the crop, and for this you everybody know all the living organisms, they need food. What are the sources of food? The main sources of food is plants. To get the food, we have to grow plants because plant provide us food. When plants of same kind are grown and cultivated at a one place on a large scale is called crop. Such crop is utilized by living organisms to fulfill their needs, because without food we are not getting energy. To obtain the energy we have to take the food. India is a vast country. The climatic condition like temperature, humidity and rainfall vary from region to region. Despite of that, this diversity, two broad cropping patterns can be identified. These are Kharif crops and Rabi crops. The crops which are sown in the rainy season are called Kharif crops. Mainly these crops are grown in the rainy season, that one is the June to September. Examples paddy and maize. Rabi crops are grown in the winter seasons. Examples Rabi crops are wheat and gram. Beside this, we have to know about the cereals, pulses, vegetables also, because all these provide us nutrients, different types of nutrients. Cereals provide carbohydrates and these pulses provide us proteins, and vegetables provide different amount of vitamins. So this all also we are getting from these crops. So children, you have to understand about this very clearly, that if we need this crop, obviously farmers, they have to work very hard. For the cultivation of crops involves several activities undertaken by farmers over a period of time. These activities are preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, irrigation. Such type of activities carried out by the farmers. So, for the preparation of soil, farmers use different kinds of agricultural implements. Such type of agricultural implements are plough, hoe. This type of implements agricultural implements are used by the farmers. Plough, this is being used since ancient time for tilling the soil, for adding the fertilizers to crop, removing the weeds, scraping of soil, etc. Plough is used, and leveling the soil. For this all the activity, plough is used. And for the preparation of soil, another tools, that is hoe. It is a simple tool which is used for removing weeds. Children, I think you know what are weeds. Weeds are the unwanted plants which affect the plant or crops. Whatever nutrients is taken by these weeds, and our crops become very weak. So it is very important to remove these weeds from the crop field. Otherwise it affects our crops. We are not getting sufficient amount of crop if weeds present there. So it is very important to remove the weeds from the crop field. So children, now we have to know about the what type of tool farmers using. See here, plough they are using. This plough, there is how they have prepared. Farmers, they work very hard to provide us crop. We are getting crop in easy way, but behind this, how much hard work our farmers they did, we have to remember this all. How we are getting the nutrients, in the same way plants also require the nutrients like manure and fertilizers. Manure and fertilizers are the plant's nutrients. These two types of nutrients are essential for the plants. First, manure is a natural substance obtained by the decomposition of cattle dung, human waste and plant residues. Manure can be prepared in the field. Manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. It is relatively less rich in plant nutrients. But fertilizers is an inorganic substances or inorganic salt also. Fertilizers is prepared in factories. It is a chemicals. It is prepared in the factories. Fertilizers does not provide any humus to the soil. It does not provide any humus because manure is prepared due to the cattle dung, whatever dead and decayed bodies of the plant leaves, so that the manure provide us humus, but fertilizer cannot provide humus. Fertilizers are produced in factories. Some of the fertilizers are urea, ammonium sulfate, and NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. These are the fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients. These are very rich if we compare with the manure. So children, in this way you have to learn this chapter all. If any problem you can ask me. Now answer this question: what is crop? Difference between Rabi and Kharif crops. Name some agricultural implements. What are the difference between manure and fertilizer? Okay, good luck. Thank you.